Yo, what is up, YouTube? Today we're back with another video, with another food review. We're gonna be trying out the Grimace birthday meal, if I'm not mistaken, that's what it's called, from McDonald's. The meal itself isn't really new. It's more about the shake. You can either choose from a Big Mac or a 10-piece McNuggets with medium fries, and then obviously the shake. If I'm not mistaken, it's 11 something, 11.60. I'll do the order right now, and then we'll head out to the to McDonald's, obviously. The shake, they haven't said what flavor it is. It's just I'm pulling up the app right now. They just describe it as I forgot what they describe it as, but it's a purple shake, and I think it's like vanilla, but they don't really say it's vanilla. So we're gonna test it out. Let me see if I'll put a picture on the screen so I can see what I'm looking at. It's $11.85 with either the McNuggets or the Big Mac. I'm gonna go for the Big Mac just because I haven't had a Big Mac in a while, and I usually eat nuggets from there. That looks about right. So I'm gonna order the meal, the Grimace birthday meal, and we're gonna taste the shake, and I'll give my thoughts on what it tastes like and what the flavor is, because it doesn't say what the flavor is. So I'll see you when I get the food, basically. All right, guys, I got the Grimace meal. We're back with the food. So, basic fries, medium fries, and then we also have the Big Mac. Oh, the Big Mac actually has a different box. Kind of bright. I can see that. Oh shit. It's a different type of box. Grimace birthday. And then, gosh, I just dropped all my fries. Oh. They actually added a cookie. I didn't even notice this. They added a cookie because I used the app. It said like a thank you. I don't know, for using the app and something like that. So got the straw here. So we have the shake. Like I said, it's a purple, like a purple colorish. Oh, let me lower the. There we go. Purple shake. So I used to get the vanilla shakes from McDonald's like a lot with my nuggets, and that's the only shake I've actually gotten from McDonald's. And I feel like McDonald's shakes are up there, top 3 for sure in fast food shakes. So I'm gonna be comparing it to the vanilla one, because that's the only one I've had. So without further ado, this is a medium. I think if you get the large, they give you like a special cup. Correct me if I'm wrong though. It's like a special, basically the meal version, like the box. It says Grimace's birthday and all that. So I guess we'll taste right now. Whoa. It tastes like Captain Crunch, like the berry one, the Captain Crunch berry. It tastes like that cereal. It's definitely vanilla, but with like a berry taste to it. Which, don't get me wrong, it's pretty good for a shake. Now for $11 as a meal, it is a lot. I'm not gonna lie, especially for McDonald's. I guess if I would have gotten the large, it would have been worth it because at least I would have had the cup. I guess since it came with the cookie, it was worth it. The Big Mac, of course. I think a regular Big Mac meal is like $8, if I'm not mistaken. But for $11 or almost 12, it's definitely new. The shake is pretty good. Maybe I should have gotten the nuggets. It would have been better, but with the fries, I would assume it tastes good too. I don't know if I showed you the shake. There you go. Yeah, it's pretty good for $11 though. A little bit too much, but like without the price or anything like that, for the shake, I feel like if they would sell this on its own, it would sell. It's pretty good. So out of a 10, I'll give it a 8.5. It is good. I don't think it beats the vanilla. The vanilla for sure is a 10 out of 10. Like I said, it tastes like the Captain Crunch berry cereal. It has that berry taste to it, basically. But other than that, it's pretty good. I don't know if I'll get it again. I'll definitely get it if it's just on its own. But as a meal, I don't usually get meals from McDonald's, so I wouldn't be paying that much. I usually just get the nuggets and the fries, so it comes out like, I think they have like a $5 bundle, if I'm not mistaken, like a $5 deal. So for half the price, and then you don't need a drink or anything. But that's I'm just rambling on right now. But yeah, so for sure, if y'all want to check it out, it is good. Like I said, it's $11.80 something. With tax, it comes out to $12 something. But I would definitely recommend it. And yeah, that's it for today's video, or little food review, or yeah, I guess it's a food review. And that was Grimace birthday meal. I'll definitely, I want to do more updates, or not updates, more videos, more food reviews. I had heard there's a Burger Boy is doing a shake. I just found out that they're doing monthly shakes. Last month was an Almond Joy shake, and then this month is a Rice Krispie shake. So we're definitely going to be checking that out. I'll keep y'all, I'll post it, obviously. And I'll see you on the next one.